Today I am going to discuss about the starting troubles of bullets. Bullets are notorious for starting trouble. Several reasons are behind this. When we start this bike after a long time, it may not start. Everyone know the exact reason because the battery charge may be low. At this case, first we look at the ammeter. If the ammeter is reflecting normally, the battery charge is okay. If it is deflecting a little, we should replace the battery or connect a healthy battery to the terminal to start this bike. If the battery is not too old, it may recharge while we are riding the vehicle. We can use another method to know whether the battery is okay or not. We may switch on the vehicle and just operate the electrical accessories like horn, etc. The sound of the horn is okay, the battery may be okay. If we find the battery is okay, we may go for the spark plug. First we remove the socket from the spark plug and just unscrew the socket from the wire part. Then we can check whether spark is coming out of the wire by placing the conductor of the wire near the engine nut. If the spark is coming, it is okay. Then remove the spark plug. After removing the spark plug, place it on the socket and earth the spark plug to the engine and just press the kick lever down and check whether strong spark is there or not. If we found the spark is weak, we may replace the spark plug or clean it. Anyway, beware of electric shock. Don't touch the conductors by bare hand. Touch the insulators only while pressing the kick lever. Even after cleaning or replacing the spark plug is weak, we may go for contact breaker points. Our task is to clean in between the contact breaker points. For that, we have to remove this mechanism. We have to remove that spring mechanism to clean the points. We can remove that mechanism by pushing out it with a screwdriver. After unscrewing the nut, 7 mm nut, hold that spring. This is the first point to be cleaned. The other point is there at the mechanism. Check for the other points. We can see the 7 mm nut that we loosed for pulling out the spring. Then we can clean it with a fine sandpaper. Both the points should be cleaned. We are cleaning this to avoid spark in between these points. If sparking coming out in between these points, the spark coming out of the spark plug will be weak. So we are cleaning here to strengthen the spark between the spark plug gap. After cleaning these points, we may put the spring back. Spring can be easily pulled out because of the loosening of that 7 mm nut. Reinstall the spring to the stud holding the spring. Then check for the free moment and check whether the spring is touching the earth. Then tighten the nut, hold the spring. Check for adequate gap between the spring and the body. Anyway, replace the CB cover after starting the machine. Start the machine and look for an unnecessary spark in between the cleaned points. If it is okay, we can fix the cover. Then we may go for the fuel part. First check whether the fuel is coming out or not. Open the hose, attach it to the carburetor, and if the petrol is not coming out, just to open the tank cap. there should be a small vent in the petrol tank gap for atmospheric pressure to come in the tank. If that small gap is closed by any debris, it is also a problem for the fuel to come out. We may blow air through the petrol pipe to clean the path of the petrol in case of clogging of rust etc. at the primary filter in the petrol tap assembly. Then go to the carburetor side. If overflow happened, we may pull up the choke lever after closing the petrol tap. Then we kick the lever for a minute to evaporize the excess petrol flow into the cylinder. After this, we can switch on the fuel tap and try a normal starting. Next problem is the air leak. Check the hose to the pulsar valve and the accelerator cable boot etc. for air leak. Fix the rubber boots at place to avert air leak problem. Air leaking is also a major problem for starting. If the spark plug is seen white when we take the plug out for inspection, the engine is lean burning. A reason of lean burning is these air leaks. Another reason for starting trouble is loss of compression. In a healthy engine, 60 kg weighing man can stand for 1 or 2 seconds in the compression stroke. The kick lever should be in parallel with the ground when we are standing in the kick lever. There are various reasons for loss of compression. It may be faulty valves, broken rings, burned gaskets, etc. Thanks for watching this video. We may discuss the other problems in comment section.